Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Anastasia, Russian language teacher, and today we will discuss some Russian unique words that don't have equivalents in English. And the first word is toska. Toska. If you ever read Russian literature, maybe you will understand what I mean. It's a deep folk Russian mix with the sadness and nostalgia. You can say maybe it's just depression, but no, it's just remember how you feel in the autumn. You look at the window and just think about your life. And this is what we call toska. Avos, it's like a blind hope. Maybe it will work, I don't know how, but it will be solved somehow by itself. For example, you didn't prepare for exam, but you come for exam and you hope that maybe teacher will be very kind today. Maybe your classmates will help you. And this is what we call авось. Авось сработает, авось прокатит. Разлюбить. Разлюбить. To fall out of love. Stop love something, someone. Разлюбить. For example, я разлюбила дождь. Я разлюбила дождь. So I don't love rain anymore. Почемучка, почемучка. Usually we call children who ask many questions like why the clouds are white and many other questions that usually children ask. This is how we call them. Свой человек. This is the word that we yesterday just discussed with my student. Свой человек, this is the person, like one of us. We are the same with this person. Не переживай, вы поладите, она свой человек, она свой человек. So you will get along very fast because she's just one of us and you will feel really comfortable with her. Ничего, ничего, ничего. Translator will just say it means nothing, but we usually say this about like fine, everything is good. Как дела? Да, ничего, ничего. Or что-то случилось? Да, так, ничего. So it means I'm fine, don't worry. Как дела? Ничего. And our favorite, да нет, да нет. Да нет means no, but you're not very sure, like hesitant disagreement. So you say no, but I'm not sure. Что-то случилось? Да нет, нет, да нет. Okay, guys, write in comments maybe in your language you have equivalents to these words. And if you're interested in Russian language classes, I still give classes, so all the information you can read and find all the links in description to this video. I wish you a wonderful day. Have a good day. See you soon.